Dear people, my name is Drew Bird, and I've always been a very resourceful person, always able to survive and find some kind of work, even through the struggles of the pandemic and the last couple of years challenging my industry with all kinds of strikes and delays in finding work. But on September 2nd, I suffered a heart attack and had to go to the emergency room. And because of that, and because of nerve damage to my arm, I'm unable to use my right arm now for several weeks. And I don't know when it's going to get better. And I'm also facing another stent operation in the near future. So I've been faced with the reality that my finances aren't going to outlast this. And I've started this campaign to ask my community for help. And I know a lot of us are struggling and we have to rely on community at the moment. But out of out of the sadness of my heart, I feel the need to rely on all of you for some help to get me through the next couple months so I don't financially fall behind on my bills, on my ability to survive. I am very grateful to be alive, and I know that right now we have to rely on each other for help, because getting help from the government or from the financial institutions takes quite a bit of effort and time. And I am working on that as well. But right now, I'm asking you, the dear people of my community, for assistance in getting me through this so that I can survive this next operation without a lot of stress and be able to pay off my medical bills in a timely fashion. So please, if you can donate or pass on this campaign to others, I am truly grateful. And thank you so much for listening to this and being in an empathetic place for my survival, as I've always been for the survival of others. Thank you.